Hey everybody, happy Friday. Today I thought it'd make pretty easy for you. I just wanted to give you a little bit of time. Like a lot of people have kind of missing work and just things from past days that they need to get caught up on. So if that's you, today is a good day for you. So I'm just going to give you this Friday to get anything that's missing and like late turned in. I'm kind of done accepting late work. It gets to be kind of like a crazy shuffling of who's turning in what and when. But there are people who have stuff out still. So I will say that today I'm going to take late work only, and then I'm not going to take it after today. So I recommend that you hop onto Infinite Campus and look at your grades in detail. Don't just go to the hub and look at the letter grade, but actually figure out what assignment it is that you're missing, and they're all dated, and then come back here to Google Classroom and find that dated assignment, and maybe it's on 415 you missed that one or something like that. Do that assignment and get that turned in today. And that's the one that I will go ahead and take a look at and grade. So that's kind of your like work today. So if you have missing things, again, I would go to Infinite Campus and check your grades in detail. And then find that assignment on Google Classroom and go ahead and complete that today. Most of the assignments in here I don't think take that long, so you should be able to get a couple done if you're missing a couple things. The other thing I'm going to have you do, and this will be really quick, is I'm going to put this form up online, just a little check-in for today. If you could go ahead and fill that out for me and add any comments and thoughts about distance learning and how it's going for you, that would be awesome. Otherwise, take care, enjoy the weekend. It looks like it should be okay, and stay safe. Bye now.